There was once a boy. The story. There was once a boy who was growing up in a very wealthy family. One day, his father decided to take him on a trip to show him how others lived who were less fortunate. His father's goal was to help his son appreciate everything that he has been given in life. The boy and his father pulled up to a farm where a very poor family lived. They spent several days on the farm, helping the family work for their food and take care of their land. When they left the farm, his dad asked his son if he enjoyed their trip and if he had learned anything during the time they spent with this other family. The boy quickly replied, "It was fantastic, that family is so lucky." Confused, his father asked what he meant by that. The boy said, "Well, we only have one dog, but that family has four and they have chickens. We have 4 people in our home, but they have 12. They have so many people to play with. We have a pool in our yard, but they have a river running through their property that is endless. We have lanterns outside so we can see at night, but they have the wide open sky and the beautiful stars to give them wonder and light. We have a patio, but they have the entire horizon to enjoy. They have endless fields to run around in and play. We have to go to the grocery store, but they are able to grow their own food. Our high fence protects our property and our family, but they don't need such a limiting structure because their friends protect them." The father was speechless. Finally, the boy added, "Thank you for showing me how poor people live. They're so lucky." The moral: true wealth and happiness aren't measured by material belongings. Being around the people you love, enjoying the beautiful, natural environment, and having freedom are much more valuable. A rich life can mean different things to different people. What are your values and priorities? If you have whatever is important to you, you can consider yourself to be wealthy. Please like, share, and follow for everyday motivation. Thank you.